Now today we're going to be talking about the basics of how to find their lateral surface area and total surface area. So let's go ahead and do that. So today we're going to be talking about a cube because those are the most easiest to work with when we're starting out with surface area and volumes. So let's go ahead and talk about its lateral surface area. And first of all, we need to know what lateral surface area is. Now there are 6 sides of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all these 4 sides are called the lateral surface area. The total surface area is basically the entire thing. So the entire cube. So to find the lateral surface area, we need to observe the cube. Now, cubes are basically squares. So 6 squares are, so a cube is made out of 6 squares. And to find the lateral surface area, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, we need to, first of all, since we're finding the lateral surface area, we need to set it to 4. Now, why are we doing that? Is because we're not looking for the entire cube, we're just looking for the 4 sides, and not the top and bottom. The top and bottom will come with the total surface area, which we'll talk about in a moment. Now, 4 sides, and each side has an edge, and this is an edge, and we know that all edges are equal, or all sides are equal in a square. So 4L square the number of sides. That is the formula of lateral surface area. Now let's go ahead and find the total surface area. So total surface area, which is 6L squared, which is the same thing almost as this, except we are adding all the sides. Now, let's say there is a potted plant in a cube pot. So let's pretend this is the cube, and let's just draw our little plant. Now, usually the top side of the plant will be opened, so this part of the cube will be opened. So how are we supposed to find the area of the 5 sides of the cube? Since the top is removed, then how are we supposed to find the 5 sides? So this is a special case, and for example, top or bottom removed. So if that is the case, then we would use the formula 5L squared. Now, in the next section of this tutorial, we are going to be solving a simple problem based on cubes. So let's go. Okay, we're back with this problem. So let's read out the problem. There is a cube-shaped box with a height of 10 meters. So we can go ahead and note that down. Height 10 meters. And we need to find its total surface area and lateral surface area. So we have a cube, and its height is 10 meters. Now we're supposed to find its total surface area. And if you remember the formula to find total surface area, it is 6L squared. So let's go ahead and find that. So 6 times 10, this whole the whole squared. Now, why are we using the height instead of the length of this? Well, since the height is literally the same as its breadth and width, its length and breadth, the length and breadth of the cube, we can literally just use the height. So 6 times 100 is the equivalent of 10 squared, and 600 meters squared is the size of the box, so the area of the box. And that's actually a really big box. Let's go ahead and do the LSA. So LSA, and if we remember the formula, it's 4L squared. So 4 times 10 squared equals 4 times 100 equals 400 meters squared. Now that was a very simple problem where we have found the TSA and LSA of this cube.